Okay, I'll just show you how to delete a mobile in this 2016 Audi A4. So from any screen, you've got the controller here, you've got menu, and you can turn the menu to telephone, or you can just click telephone back here. If you click telephone there, you've got connect to mobile phone, and you've got a plus over here. If I knock it across there, you'll see connection manager, Wi-Fi settings, telephone settings. So we'll go to connection manager. Phone not connected. So we'll just click on that, and there you go. You'll see connect new device or Barry's iPhone 12 Pro, and there's no tick in here, and there's a plus here. So we'll knock the controller across there, display Bluetooth profiles, delete Bluetooth device, delete Bluetooth device. That's it gone.